Hey guys, no, so while rewatching yung last episode po ng WhatsApp Love, no, so yung malikot na pag-iisip po ni WhatsApp Love got the better of me dahil naisip ko what does Franz Castro of ACT teacher, Arlene Brosas of Makabayan, Shell Jokno, Leila de Lima, and former Senator Sonny Trillanes have in common. No, dahil napag-isip ko, bakit ba sila yung napakaiingay, no? So, sa Quadcom committee, while the other will question the former president, hindi naman ganun kaingay, no? So, well, you have to think, no? So, sabi nga sa inyo, dahil malikot po yung pag-iisip nyo at sa ano bang difference? I mean, anong pagkakapareho po ng mga taong ito? Well, of course, all of these 5 personalities are running in this coming election. So, well, not that yung ibang kongresista po hindi tatakbo dahil one way or the other po, most of them are running for re-election this coming election this 2025 May, and yung iba naman magda-downgrade to mayor. Some of them would run for a much higher position, no? So including the two I mentioned, no? Franz Castro and Arlene Brosas, who's running for a senator seat. No, so at alam naman natin, no, I mean, pag tatakbo ka, any media exposure is needed. No, so especially them, dahil tatakbo so silang senador, a higher position than being a congressman of a party list group. No? So, while Franz Castro and Arlene Brosas is gunning for a Senate seat, Shell Jokno is going to run under the banner of Akbayan Party List as a nominee, as well as Leila de Lima, Senator Leila de Lima, former Senator Leila de Lima, as a nominee for CONA Liberal Party List, and Sonny Trillanes, former Senator Sonny Trillanes, going to run as Mayor of Caloocan under the Magdalo Party List. No? So, makikita mo, no? So meron palang hidden agenda at maiisip mo na, is the Quadcom hearing more advantageous sa part ng former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte or mas advantageous sa part naman nagtatanong na kailangan ng media exposure para kahit paano when it comes to election, mas ma-recognize sila ng tao. Yun lang. Sana naintindihan nyo.